But I'm back on. This is Elizabeth with Dandelion Soap, and we're talking about system recovery. It has Ginkgo. Ginkgo strengthens the system. Ginkgo will help your brain to stay strong. And what Ginkgo does is it gives you stamina. It strengthens you and it gives you stamina. In other words, you can go longer. You get more mileage out of that herb. But also, Ginkgo Biloba, just for argument's sake, so I can fill in the blank, Ginkgo Biloba also helps you maintain your brain. In other words, it helps maintain memory, cohesiveness, and it allows the body to be able to have more stamina, meaning it strengthens the actual tissues throughout the entire system. It basically, kind of is like putting an extra band of duct tape around everything. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense to everybody. Give us a thumbs up if everybody's understanding what I'm saying, if my English even makes any sense. So, just trying to give you some examples. So, Ginkgo Biloba is good for strengthening, and it's great for endurance and sustainability and stamina, long pace. But also, if you suffer from very active dreams, very active mind and chatter, and unable to rest and sleep, Ginkgo Biloba is really, really good for shutting down that chatter and for actually expelling anxiety and, you're just impatient and you're just, excitability, and it can just really kind of soothe you and give you a milder mood so that you're able to, well, give you an example. If you were going to go on a long trip and you had to do a lot of driving, a lot of flying, just a lot of traveling, and you're just like, you're just, your tiger's trying to come out in you, and you're just having a real hard time, just dealing with it. You're just kind of burned out. Ginkgo can help with that. But what I recommend, especially for men, now women do pretty good at being able to take that, every day. They can take that tea during the day. For men, you would want to do it at night, the night before, because you're going to sleep really good and sound, so to speak, and you're going to wake up very energized and full of energy. So Ginkgo is one of them.